In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a page in Squarespace effortlessly. Whether you're working on a stunning portfolio or managing a thriving online store, being able to duplicate pages swiftly ensures consistency across your website, saving you valuable time when you're in the flow of creativity or deep in the details of your business. Let's delve into this step-by-step guide to make the process smooth and intuitive. Firstly, you'll want to navigate to Squarespace. Open your preferred web browser and type in the Squarespace URL, then hit enter. As the page loads, ensure you're signed into your account, bringing you one step closer to enhancing your web building efficiency. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the left side of the interface where you'll find the main menu. Look for the Website tab. Clicking on this brings you to the pivotal hub of your site management. Within this area, you'll see the Pages section prominently displayed. Go ahead and click on Pages. This area is particularly significant as it lists all your site's pages, providing a comprehensive overview of what's shown on your website. Next, it's time to pinpoint the exact page you want to replicate. Scroll through your list of pages until you find the one you wish to duplicate. Perhaps it's an exceptionally well-designed blog post or a layout-driven product page you'd love to use again. Once you've located it, click on the page to highlight it. Immediately, you'll observe a few options appear. Among those options, Settings is your next click. This link, which sits under the General section, unveils various controls and configurations related to your selected page. As you enter the Settings menu, don't be daunted by the number of options available. Scroll down gently until you come across the option labeled Duplicate Page. It's a straightforward yet powerful function that Squarespace offers to clone your chosen page, inclusive of all its current settings and content. With one simple click on Duplicate Page, Squarespace does its magic behind the scenes, creating an exact copy of the original page, ready for your adjustments or immediate publication as part of your site expansion. And just like that, you're done, equipped with a new page that mirrors the design and content structure of the original, ready to be experimented with, edited, or launched live. This simple, efficient process of duplicating pages in Squarespace significantly optimizes your site management tasks. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more streamlined guides and insights. Happy building!